Hey guys, what's up? I'm fine. Today we will make this yummy lemon pound cake. Let's see how I make it. Half cup wheat flour, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Now we will sift this. Now mix it. Now crack 2 eggs. Now 1/3 cup sugar, 1/4 cup cooking oil, 1/8 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Two drops of green food color. It would bring the color of lemon. Now we will beat this until the sugar melts. It would be so fluffy. To make the best cake, you need to beat it very well, or it wouldn't be very fluffy. The color has been faded away and the sugar melted. So we would stop beating the batter now. Now I will pour the half of the dry ingredients and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now mix this slowly and gently. Don't be too fast, or it could ruin your batter. I have mixed that. Now I'll pour the rest of the dry ingredients and 1 teaspoon lemon juice again. Now mix this slowly and gently. Our batter is now ready. Now take a mold, oil brush it. Now set a baking paper. Cut it into the size of the mold and brush it again. Now I will pour the batter into the mold. I have preheated a pan. Now I will set the mold and bake this for 35 minutes. Our delicious cake is now ready. And this is so fluffy. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.